Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 16. Happy Sunday, you guys. Let's go get some coffee. I'm currently editing. We need some coffee. Today's mug is a new one. Darren just gave me this yesterday. Been There series, North Carolina, since this is where he is stationed. Thank you so much, Darren. Today is actually going to be a busy day. I have to film Sunday Faves and Nays and then another video which is for this week, and then this afternoon Darren has some plans, so I think I'm going to drop him off, or my husband will drop him off. I'm not really sure, but I wanted to go to the mall, so I leave that in my pocket. Thank you, Dad.
Don't leave anything in the pocket.
My dad is a lifesaver. I think it's about like 3 o'clock. I just filmed a bunch of videos for this week. Also reviewing a product, which should be up probably on Wednesday or so. But Darren's gonna go meet up with his friend, and we are gonna go to Starbucks and finish editing today's Sunday Faves and Nays video. And oh, look, there's Darren. Say hi.
Hi.
So we got the toasted white chocolate frappuccino. I wasn't gonna get a Starbucks, but kind of decided I needed to get one. Already almost 5, so hopefully I finish this within the next. It's spilling stuff all the time. I spilled something yesterday, the day before, and it happens to be on a day when I'm wearing something that's beige. Finally left Starbucks, and I already picked up Darren. I don't know if I explained it. Probably you guys are wondering why I'm driving Darren, or why we drive Darren. He doesn't have his license yet. He actually should have gotten his license before he left for the army, but I think he's gonna get his license when he's back there in North Carolina. I'm about to walk into Ulta. I'm gonna go look for a cologne for the hubs. Tomorrow is his birthday. It's the next day. It's a little bit later on in the next day. Slept in this morning and I got a good night's rest. Finally, like a really good night's rest. I didn't set my alarm. I just let my body kind of wake up on its own, and I feel amazing this morning. Although I think right now it's 8 o'clock. Where is my phone? Hold on a second. So it's that time for us to open another one of the 24 days of tea from David's Tea. We are on day number 16. Check out what is in here. I even forgot my tea steeper. We have gingerbread. Ooh. One of my faves was the Gingerbread Girl liquid matte lipstick from Too Faced, and now we're having gingerbread. So we were able to get my husband's birthday gift last night, which you guys will see a little bit later on today. Here is our perfect spoonful. Ingredients: red and green rooibos, honey brush, cinnamon, maple sugar, ginger, safflower, natural and artificial flavoring. This does not contain any calories. Okay, so that is a good thing. Let's open day number 16. On it right up here. Perfect! We have a star. This smells good. This smells like gingerbread cookies. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm wearing some eyebrows today, and I'm testing out a product for Wednesday's video. Let's go ahead and try the gingerbread. I can already tell you right off the bat, I like this tea. It's sweet. It just has that gingerbread cookie kind of taste, but it's not too much. Today's daily tea talk is gonna be about Miss Universe 2018. Did you guys watch Miss Universe last night? I didn't watch it, but I did watch the replays this morning. My mom was just watching it. Mom, what did you think of the replays?
She was great. Fantastic.
Yeah, she speaks so eloquently. She's absolutely beautiful, and I noticed right off the bat that she was wearing an ear cuff, and it's the one that has the Filipino sun with the star. I remember the first time I saw that was back in October when my mom and I were in New York, and it's one of my friend Anna, the one who got married, and it was one of her friends had asked her where she got it because it is so beautiful. If you guys see that ear cuff in person, it's gorgeous. I've never seen anything like it. So it has the sun, and then right below it on the side it has the star. It's so gorgeous. And her and her husband, I forgot where they ordered it from, and I really wanted to get one. I'm gonna hold off on that, but it was absolutely beautiful, right? And then Miss Universe was wearing it, so I was just like, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It's really, really pretty. But anyway, the whole point was that congratulations to Miss Universe 2018. For those of you who watched the whole entire Miss Universe last night, what did you guys think of it? Who were your favorites? I would love to know, because I'm probably gonna watch the replay sometime today, because I really want to see all the other beautiful women who are up there. I can't believe I forgot all about it, and we didn't even come home that late last night. I think I was just tired. Here is the star. We're gonna eat our chocolate star. I'm gonna bring my C upstairs, gonna clean up the mess. So yesterday I was filming some videos for the week because I wanted to batch film, although I still have another video I need to film today. I made such a mess, and I came home last night and I looked at it and I was like, oh my gosh, you know, I don't even want to clean it up. It's like one of those things when you see it, you're just like, oh, do I really have to clean that up right now? I'll just do it later. And then I woke up this morning and I looked at it and it looked bad, but not as bad as I remember last night. Oh, you know what, I even have my deodorant here. Let's hang up day number 16. Which we are gonna hang up. Where are we gonna hang it up? Right over here. Day number 16. I'll go ahead and end Vlogmas day 16 here. Hope you guys had a wonderful Sunday, a wonderful weekend. Happy Monday to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys a little bit later for Vlogmas day 17.